Today I'm going to show you how to make a nice vegetable sandwich. This at work, and somebody was there while I was eating it and they really wanted to taste it. So I'm going to share the recipe with you as well. We're going to get started. Since I was making it for my lunch, I actually built it on a piece of wax paper. I'm taking a really nice fresh bun. I'm slicing it. You can see how fresh it is. And then I'm pressing it down a little bit to help hold my filling in. What I did was I started with some of that great ranch dressing that we made. We'll link the recipe below. And I spread some on the bottom. I'm using it like a glue, so to speak, to hold my ingredients together. And I usually have everything cut up and ready to go, but I'm showing you just how I made it for work. Then I took some lettuce, and I love this brand. It's pre-washed, and I put the lettuce just on like that. Then I spread another little bit of ranch, not very much, just a little bit on there. And I started layering my ingredients. I started with a little bit of purple onion, which I often have this just prepared in my fridge. And I have it in there because I like to have it ready. Also, I soak my onion a little bit if it's bitter or too bitey for me. Then I got some black olives and I sliced those up. Now you're gonna have to realize this is gonna be a messy sandwich to eat, but it was good, and I packed it in the morning and didn't eat it till the afternoon. And really, everything still seemed crunchy. I've got some grape tomatoes. And as you know, I like to always put everything kind of bite-sized on my sandwich. That keeps it all from falling apart when you're trying to eat it. You know, you take a bite of tomato and then the whole thing wants to come out. So I took about 2 or 3 tomatoes. Put those on there. You could add some salt and pepper. However, I feel the dressing gave it plenty of flavor, and I didn't need the salt and pepper. Your choice, of course. And you can see the stuff's falling off already. Then, now I thought this really made it good. I took a few pepper rings. You, of course, this whole recipe, you can just put as much as you like on it. So that's all that I put on it ingredient-wise. Then I pressed it down, trying to get it all to stick together, and that's why I have a little bit of dressing in the middle there, and I'm holding it down and putting the top on it. Then I just smashed it all together, wrapped it up, and I put it in my lunch with a little ice pack. It did keep a couple hours. On a plate, it looks really pretty, and you could put some pretzels on the side, some fruit, whatever you would like. There you have it. And you might wonder, why do you need a recipe for it? I'm not going to write down ingredients, but this gives you some ideas of what you could put on a wonderful vegetable sandwich for your lunch. Okay, I'm going to do a taste test, but I'm warning you, this is going to be kind of messy. So there's the sandwich. It just smells so good. It smells so fresh. And of course, you could put a slice of vegan cheese on there, but sometimes I just want my veggies. Please join us next week. I love that you stopped by, and I want you to know that the Lord loves you too. God bless you. Have a great day.